welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea. If it's your first time here, this platform is mainly dedicated to online boutique stores. So if you're interested in knowing which websites are fake, what kind of clothing they sell, the prices, please stay around and consider subscribing. For today, it's more of a warning video. I did purchase from this website called Ylair Hair. It's Ylair Hair. When I purchased my item, it did take about 2.5 weeks for me to receive it. I did receive 2 bags because, as I said, it's a buy one get one free, and they sent it in 2 packages. Now, the website advertised these really cheap hair, like anywhere from $18 to maybe $29. They claim it's human hair, but the bag came something like that. I am going to leave picture of my order so you see what it looks like. This cost me about $60 for 4 items, which again I ended up getting 8 because it was buy one get one free. Yeah, let's see. So this is supposed to be human hair. Look at that shine. This literally just looks like plastic. Like, it feels like plastic, honestly. Look at that. It feels so rubbery. Like, I cannot even tolerate this on my head. Like, this is so... There's no way. There is no way. I guess these are the reason I make these videos, so you guys can understand. Like, this is not a human hair. This is not even one of the good synthetic hair. Like, if you pass by, even if it's hot, if you wear this hair in Texas, this will catch on fire. That's what I think. And I did open the first bag, so all of them looks like this. So this is basically just a warning to you guys if you ever see that store, Ylair Hair. I don't even know how to pronounce it right. I don't even have to tell you guys. Look at it. Look at that. It is like if you just melted plastic and you just refined it. And this is supposed to be like the lace portion. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? Like, that's the lace portion. But it's white. Like, white in a bad way. Like, there's no way you can kind of like blend this. And there's no way you're going to wear this and people are going to even think it's human hair. Like, there's no way. Every single hair came like this. Plasticky, shiny. Yeah. I'm not even gonna wear it. I'm sorry. I'm not. Now, I did go back to the website to just kind of figure out. I wanted to get pictures of how they advertise the hair. But Google, my phone, it would not allow me to go on the website. It kept saying fake. I was not able to find the site itself, but I was able to find the site on AliExpress. So these people, be careful, are still selling on AliExpress, like selling these fake hair. I will say though, this looks a little better, even though it's shiny. I don't know. This looks way more better. Like, I cannot even wear this. Honestly, I cannot advise anybody to wear this. Um, I know it probably looks better on camera, but the lace portion literally looks as white as a sheet of paper in person. That's how it looks. And I mean, honestly, this is the best texture I've seen from the rest of it. This feels like a regular synthetic hair. It looks a way more better. But the thing is, I feel like you can go to your regular hair store and probably get a better synthetic than this. So spending your $18 and you probably won't wear this. Like, I can't really advise anybody to buy this, honestly. You're better off just going to your local store and just, yeah, don't do it. And when I couldn't find the website, honestly, I wasn't going to do the review. I was just going to chuck it off as a loss. But then I saw them on AliExpress, and I do know AliExpress is one of the big, like, sellers. I don't know what I was thinking. Actually, this and the brown one, I can wear for Halloween. Yes. The first two, that's a no completely. But I can wear this for Halloween. Now, am I going to advise you guys to buy here just to wear it for Halloween? No. Unless you want to, that's fine, but no. So these two they're not really bad. Anyway, since these two looks a little better, I probably will insert pictures so you guys see what it looks like. I'm not even going to put time into kind of trying to refine it. As soon as this review is done, this hair is done, I'm not going to. I don't know. But so guys, basically, if you're looking, I'm going to insert pictures. Basically, if you see this hair store, it is spelled Ylair, and I will leave the name all over this video. Please do not try it. They advertise selling human hair. It's not true. It's like plastic synthetic. There are better synthetic on Amazon, honestly. In your local hair store, you are way more better trying those than actually trying this website. You don't want to spend money on something someone's going to call a human hair and it's not. So just don't buy it. And if you've already purchased from them, I'm sorry, I didn't get to you in time. But hopefully I get to someone else in time. Hopefully. Well, tell me what you guys think in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video.